How to recover Roblox account without password or email. So if you want to quickly recover your Roblox account, but you don't have any resources to recover it with, here's what you're going to do. You're going to create a random account, okay, a dummy account. You're going to go into your settings and we're going to go into help. Now, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the Roblox support. So you can go with anything, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. So let's say I'm going to go with Roblox account. And once you do that, you can go ahead with I forgot my password. Okay, now you're going to scroll down here and you're going to go into need more help, contact support here. And once you do that, here you're going to first of all add your name, add your email, and once you've added your email, you're simply going to go ahead and confirm your email. Then it says issue details. You're first of all going to select the device you have the issues on, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to go into account hacker can't log in. Okay. And then you're going to go with forgot password and you're going to give them the details that not only did you forget the password, but you forgot the email as well. Make sure that it's a long descriptive detail and you're going to basically want to convince them that it's actually your account. You can even show them some screenshots by uploading them on WeTransfer or Google Drive and putting the link down over here and just convince them that it's actually your account, and that should help you out. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.